Hi guys, I'm K9 Crooner from Austin here, and I'm gonna show you guys, the stuff that I got at the Salvation Army today. It's in this bag here. The first toy that I got at the Salvation Army, I got this musical sheep piggy bank. I got the sheep piggy bank. It buzz and it plays music, and this side lights up. So the button is on its ear. Here it is. Here it is. And the second one that I got is this singing gorilla. It's a singing gorilla. Yep, the second one that I got is the singing gorilla. It also sings, and he wears a shirt, a hat, and I think its mouth move. I think I know what the song does that gorilla sing. I think it sings Macarena. So I got 4 things at the Salvation Army today. So I'm gonna show you the third one. The third one that I got is this stick horse. It's a stick horse. And I think it neighs. It has 2 buttons on its ear. Maybe one it plays music, and I think the second one it neighs. It's a really cute horse. Yep, so here's the third one that I got at the Salvation Army. I got this stick horse. And then I'm gonna show you the fourth one. I'm gonna show you the last one that I got at the thrift store today at the Salvation Army. Alright, the last one that I got is this musical cat toy. And it has, whoa. Yep. Here's his wheels. Yep, this one does play music. Yep, so here's the last one that I got at the Salvation Army. I got this musical cat toy. And here's his little string right here. And here's his battery cover, and yep, and here's the wheels. It looks like a cat car. Alright, so I push the buttons on this one, and it works. So I'm gonna show you what that cat does. Here it is. Here's the musical cat toy, and it has buttons right here. The first one is the first button right here, that red circle button. It's a frog, and the second one is a duck, and the third one is a dog, and then the fourth one is the cat. All right, so yep. It also makes animal sounds too. It also makes sounds as well. Here it is. So here's the 4 things that I got at the Salvation Army today. So goodbye, guys, and have a great day.